Okay, so in problem 1-3 of chapter 1, you're given this flag right here, and it's basically just a rectangular area attached to a pole, a flagpole, and the width is 6 units and the height is 8. And so basically, the question is asking us to imagine rotating this flag around this flagpole and explain the resulting three-dimensional figure and draw a picture of this figure on the paper, and then the final step will be to find the volume of this resulting figure. So for part A, simply drawing the figure, basically it might be hard at first to imagine what this would look like rotated around this pole. But if you imagine rotating it 360 degrees, say around your pencil, which we'll use as a pole, you can see that at the top a circle will result, at the bottom same thing, a circle will result, and everywhere in between will just be the shape of a cylinder, since the flag is a rectangle. If the flag was, say, a triangle, you can see how it wouldn't result in a cylinder, but rather a cone, because the part of the triangle, like still attached to the flag. Like, let's say if it was like this right here, this part right here would be like the base of the cone, and this part would result in a circle, just like the rectangle does. But anyways, back to this problem. So we can draw it by drawing a circle on the top, circle on the bottom, and then obviously the flagpole. And we know that the height will be 8, just like it was for the flag. But here, instead of, you need to be careful because the radius will still be 6, okay? But make sure not to make this whole diameter 6. So make sure to say just the radius is 6. And then when you want to find the volume of this cylinder in part B, so hold on, let's actually just write that that's a cylinder. So when you want to find the volume of this cylinder right here, we will use the formula for the volume of a cylinder, which we know to be pi r squared h. And like I said, the height h is 8, the radius is 6, so all you have to do is plug in those numbers into the formula, so you'll get pi times 6 squared times 8, which equals 288 pi units cubed. And obviously if you want to check that in your calculator, 6 squared is 36 times 8 gives you 288, and 288 times pi 288 times pi, and obviously you need to include units and make the units cubed for the volume of the cylinder. Okay. So that's it for this video. Now let's move on to the next one.